Welcome! In today's video, we're diving into the essential financial concepts you need to master for a secure future. Understanding basic finance isn't just for experts. It's crucial for everyone to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. First up is budgeting and cash flow. This is the foundation of all sound financial management. Cash flow is simply tracking where your money comes from and where it goes. You need to consistently monitor your income and expenses to know exactly what's happening with your funds. A great budgeting framework is the 50/30/20 rule. Allocate 50% to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Next, let's talk about savings, specifically the crucial role of an emergency fund. An emergency fund should cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This safety net prevents unexpected events from derailing your finances. Beyond your emergency fund, consider high-yield savings accounts or other secure instruments to grow your money over time. Debt can be a major hurdle. Learning to manage it effectively is vital for financial health. You must understand the interest rates and terms of any loan you take out. High interest can quickly make small debts very expensive. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt first. Strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche can help you gain momentum. Your credit score is a crucial number. It determines your access to loans, interest rates, and even rental opportunities. Your credit score is primarily based on payment history, amounts owed, length of credit history, new credit, and credit mix. To maintain good credit, pay your bills on time, keep credit card balances low, and avoid opening too many new accounts quickly. Once you have your budget and emergency funds sorted, it's time to start investing to grow your wealth. Compounding interest is key. It's earning returns not just on your initial investment, but also on the returns you've already accumulated. Start early. Start with retirement accounts like 401ks and IRAs, and then explore stocks, bonds, or mutual funds to diversify your portfolio. Mastering these concepts is the first step toward financial independence. Start applying them today and watch your financial future flourish.